Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean and dress your rubber mats. When I say dress them, I mean we're going to spray a product called Chemical Guys VRP, and it's going to bring back that darkness and that shine to the rubber while also nourishing it and making sure it lasts for many years in the sun. So first off, I'm going to use a spray bottle with Brakebuster to clean it, and then afterwards we'll apply our VRP. I've mixed both of these things in my own spray bottles or pump sprayers with warm water. It really helps these products last a lot longer, so figure out your favorite dilution rate and apply that here. First, we're going to spray all of our rubber mats with the Brakebuster, or you could use general APC, and we're going to give them a quick brush with our medium bristle hand brush. Thoroughly work these over. If you want a more detailed video on how to clean really bad rubber mats, I have other videos up on my channel. Please check those out. Once you've let the chemicals soak in and given them a proper brush down, we can move on to our next step, rinsing them off, and then later on applying our dressing. I didn't have access to my hose today, so I brought them inside the laundry room to give them a quick rinse off. Make sure all of your product is gone. You don't want any more cleaning chemical to be left on your rubber mats. Rinse them all off and then set them aside to air dry for a few minutes. While they're still a little bit damp, we can now go on and spray our Chemical Guys VRP. This is going to help bring that darkness back to our rubber. In most cases, I don't even need to work it in with a brush or a microfiber towel. I just spray on a gentle layer and the chemical itself will actually spread out, and it won't be blotchy. It should dry to a nice finish and look brand new again. Try it for yourself. Come back to this video if you need to. You can see the results right here for yourself. I've got great new videos every Friday. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.